This 68 Corvette header striker. 68 is a 1-year item, and mine's destroyed. No one makes them or reproduces them, but guess what? Someone did.
Beautiful.
EC Products, Pacifica Corvette has churned out some of these babies, and let's just see if it fits. You know what? It's looking like the screw holes are in there.
I feel like it's stripped.
I'm about to put these on.
Can I, dude?
Okay, bottom screws going in pretty easy. So the bottom screw pretty much holds everything, but wow, they look pretty good. 2 more screws to go, and I don't have the internal plastic piece. I'm just going to use like a piece of PVC or PEX or something in there, but I don't put the top up very often anyway, but these needed to be replaced, so there you go. Yep. 68 Corvette, one-off part, one and done. Hold on now, got the other side going on. I'm missing out. Look at that craftsmanship of this Craftsman screwdriver operator. For reproduction, yeah, they fit. They do a very simple job. I'm happy with them. I don't even have to use it to know that it's good enough.
Oh yeah, baby.